me, Goose.
Roger, I got him. Contact 20 left at 30 miles, 900 knots closure.
Cougar, you hear that?
Roger. Merlin, you got him?
Roger, I've got radar contact. I'll get a visual ID, Cougar, you...
Roger, and I'll clean him and fry him. Ha ha! Mustang.
Tone. I got good tone. I got tone. I got tone. Fire it. Shit, we got a flame out, man. Engine 1 is out. Engine 2 is out. Goose, I'm losing control. I'm losing control. I can't control it. It won't recover. Shit.
Ratio, wake up!
Where the hell are we, Hamlet?
I'm not sure, Horatio.
You are in our village in Japan. We found you washed up on the shore.
You're allowed to stay and train us under one command.
What's that?
You must place to us in the Empire and the Emperor.
This came at a time when I do not trust my Uncle Claudius, who recently married my mother after the mysterious death of my father. Something is not right, and I can feel it.
Aha! I knew it!
What? A spy? Polonius? Polonius, what are you doing here?
The king sent me to spy on you. He does not trust you. And I followed you here. Be careful, Hamlet.
Samurai, we accept your offer. My uncle cannot be trusted. It is not safe to return home. I'm here. Do you wish to speak to me? It's me, your father. But I thought you died.
I did, you idiot. I've come back as a ghost to warn you about your uncle.
My uncle?
Yes, dumbass. He poisoned me when I was asleep on the base, and he will do the same to you if you're not careful. He wants to be the head of the Air Force, and he will stop at nothing to get it.
What should I do, Father?
Avenge me! Avenge me!
It's obvious I must avenge my father's death, or I will soon join him.
So, are you sure you want to do this?
I am sure. Claudius had my father killed, and who knows what he has planned for us. This is how we can get our revenge. For honor, brother.
For honor.
So Hamlet,
You've decided to side with the enemy. Will show you no mercy. Laertes, are you ready to avenge your father?
I am, sir.
Hamlet will arrive soon. He's aware that I had him spied on and planned to be killed if he went out of line. He killed your father, Laertes.
I'm aware, sir. And you must get revenge.
Your father did nothing but serve this country. It's your duty to avenge him for the good of the country.
For the good of the nation. Take it.
Claudius, there aren't enough pilots and the enemy is almost here.
My dear Gertrude, I hope that it won't come to this, but our fighters are severely outnumbered. I need you to go out there and fight the battle.
Anything for you, my dear.
Thank you.
I'm hit!
No! Hamlet, get ready to die! Die, mother...
Control, I'm taking a shot! Fire! Bingo! Watch that sucker, yeah! Ice, watch out, there's a big to your right. He's firing! I'm hit!
No!
We were at a party. The dear love fell in the day. Someone reached in and grabbed it.